Hi, I'm Kelsey Boss, pediatric physical therapist and boy mom to two boys, including our youngest here, who is 5 weeks. So one thing that has come in really handy around the house the past month is our Boppy breastfeeding pillow. I think there's a lot of things you get given when you're pregnant and you're like, what do I do with this? How do I use this? Do I really need this? I try really hard not to have too many baby things in our house that we don't need. So this is one that has come in very handy, even though a lot of people say they don't think you need it. So we're going to go over 3 ways that I've been using our Boppy pillow. So the first way is the way that it's kind of intended, and that is just as a nursing pillow. So when you are breastfeeding, you can give him some support here. Also give your arm support. So you need to take care of your body as well. So if you have something to rest your arms, you're more likely to keep that chest open versus falling into that breastfeeding posture where you're rounding forward and probably hurting your own back. So breastfeeding, especially the first couple weeks when they're so tiny, you're trying to figure out breastfeeding. It's kind of hard. This can be a huge support. Then, as he's gotten better at breastfeeding and I've gotten more confident, we don't use it as much for that, but we've started to use it more developmentally. So you can use it to help you in tummy time. So it can support you in your tummy time here. We love having some black and white cards or a little black and white book to look at. When they're this little, they don't have great vision, so really high contrast. Another favorite is our older son loves to lay and make faces at him. So if you have a friend or a family member, or an older sibling, that is a great job to give them, is make faces while we're doing tummy time or sideline time. And then the third way is sideline. So we talk a lot about tummy time. I think sideline is an underrepresented developmental position. It has so many benefits, and the Boppy can also support them in sideline. So I'm going to lay him on his side right here. And same thing, high contrast cards to look at. I like to say kind of the distance elbow to hand is about the distance that you want to place what they're looking at. So siblings, older face, mirror, high contrast cards you can put there. I love this one because it has the option of the high contrast cards or the mirror. So this is one of our favorites as well. So we're going to give something to entertain them. And then the Boppy supports them so that they can't roll out of that position. Other benefits are we're helping him bring his hands to midline. This is a great position for head shape. Just make sure you're doing it on both sides. You don't want to do only one side. You want to flip, and so that they are strengthening both sides of their body. And this just gives a really nice firm support right there. So there are my favorite ways to use my Boppy pillow. Let me know below if there's anything I forgot, and if there's any more tips that you're looking for rolling development. Check out our Little Movers developmental courses below, and have a great day.